So welcome to Turner Farm from a bird's eye view. So we're coming down from the current house that you see there, and you'll see two different driveways here. So you can see the arena on the right, and then the left is the horse track and where the power lines will go to the new house. So this one on the right is just the main driveway. So we're going to come all the way down, and the three fields that you see here are pasture land and hay fields that we use for our cattle. So you can see a few of the cows here on the right hand side. So as we turn the corner, it's a pretty windy driveway, but it'll bring you up to the main field, and we chose to connect that to the horse track, and we chose to put our new farmhouse up at the very top. So we are building a cattle barn, which is the larger structure you're seeing here, and that will have our handling system and house our cows in the winter. And then our house is the smaller area just beside it. And this will look down over our fields and out to the Bay of Fundy. So the grassland that you see around the house and the barn will house all of our cows, and the horses will stay down in the other barn that you see here. So you can see the horse barn, the track, and the arena. We are so excited to live back here. We can't wait to share more as we build our house and our cattle barn and continue to slowly expand our farm. Thanks so much for following along.